How about this one for innovation? Sony is exploring tech that will turn bananas into PlayStation controllers. This is not a headline I expected to see today. Nice. However, interesting nonetheless. It got me thinking actually about a video I made a while back with that controller. I don't remember the name of it, but it was you could turn any everyday object into a button. Makey. I might be wrong. Try EY. MAKEY. Try that. Yep. Title of the video, you've never seen bananas do this. And this Makey is a little controller with these metal clips on the end that would activate your material and turn it into a button. Bananas worked really well for this. I think I make a beat, actually, if you want to put some volume over here. I think I put together a quick beat. I think I get a better beat going than that. Those are some groovy bananas right there. Let's take it to the next level. Yeah, let's take it to the next level. Okay, here we go. I made a keyboard out of these bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bananas. All right, get them hooked up here. There's the little controller that came with it. Oh, I got the synthesizer going as well. Wow, good times, man. Unbox Therapy's been around for a while. I'll tell you what, Will.
Yeah.
Here we go.
You got the low end. With the diamond box. I don't even think I've seen.
Yo, you didn't believe I made that with the bananas.
No, I haven't watched this.
Give us a little more volume on that. You didn't believe I put a quick beat together on the 5 bananas. Wow. Yes. Damn. That is 3,000 years ago.
What a fun time.
That doesn't even, I'm not even sure who that is. I don't even know if that's me. I'm not convinced. Some other dimension or something. But anyway, when I saw this banana PlayStation controller thing, it brought me back to that exact moment. Because I was like, I already knew bananas could do more.
Yeah.
However, in the form of the PlayStation situation, it's not a similar setup. You're not going to need to wire anything up. Instead, what they're aiming to do is to have the motion capture identify the object, which could be a banana or something else, in a similar fashion to how their Move system used to work, when you would have the Move controllers with light bulbs on the end.
Oh, okay.
And the camera would be picking everything up and tracking via those lights for a variety of games. I don't know how much that took off or didn't take off, but this is a patent. So it's one of those things, it could be like a moonshot type thing. They're like, just one day, people are going to pick up any object and it can be a controller in the game.
Sure.
Type of thing. And they use the banana for the purpose of the patent, but the entire concept is around everyday objects becoming controllers via camera tracking idea. And actually, funny enough, you see the hands holding the banana. A banana is not all that different in shape from a controller.
Sure, yeah.
When you see them superimpose the X and the triangle on the banana there, it's kind of like, oh yeah,
yeah.
Look at the curvature there. It's kind of a controller. Bananas are nature's controller.